This is what happens when you have an overloaded ship in shaky waters.
Hello, good day everyone. I'm Engine Cadet Perdonio from 2nd Year Bravo Company. What is the Load Line Convention?
How can ship operators ensure compliance with the Load Line Convention? Ship operators can ensure compliance by conducting regular maintenance, adhering to survey schedules, and keeping accurate records. They should also train their crew on load line regulations and the importance of maintaining safe loading practices.
The Load Line Convention regulation setting the limit on how much cargo ship can carry, ensuring sufficient freeboard for safety in varying water conditions. The load line is actually a marking indicate the extent to which the weight of a load may save depth of the ship in a fully loaded condition, but this depth actually varies according to the ship dimension. The International Load Line Convention were assigned to the ship trading internationally, or we can say it international voyage. So why is important the load line of the ship cargo? A cargo ship is designed to carry different weight and volume of cargo under the safe limit to avoid grounding and sinking of the vessel. The load line is a special marking position amidship which depict the drop of the vessel and maximum limit in distinct types of water to which the ship can be loaded. The fundamental purpose of a load line is to allot maximum legal limit up to which a ship can carry the designated cargo. So let's talk about load line marks, also known as Plimsoll mark. Plimsoll mark or Plimsoll line. The Plimsoll line is a marking on a ship hull that indicates the maximum safe load of the vessel can carry based on water condition. Here the example of the Plimsoll line. So why do ships have multiple load line to measure how much weight can carry of the vessel? The summer load line represents the maximum allowable draft for a ship operating in the summer load line zone. It indicates the point on the ship hull up to which it can be safely loaded with cargo. Winter. The winter load line, similar to the summer load line, but is applicable during the winter season or in colder climates, and consider the lower density of seawater in colder temperature and adjust the maximum allowable draft. The fresh and tropical fresh load line indicate the maximum allowable draft for ship operating in freshwater or tropical freshwater areas, respectively, ensuring safe navigation in this specific condition. The tropical load line is used when a ship is operating in tropical region with warmer sea water temperature or account for the higher density or seawater in warmer climate, which reduce the buoyancy of the ship. Winter North Atlantic load line is a load line marking that indicates the maximum allowable draft for ship operating in the North Atlantic during winter condition.